Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Unplug the Jiffy Steamer and wait about 10 minutes so residual pressure and heat dissipate. Once done, remove the water tank and examine it. You want clear water and no white mineral flakes because they clog nozzles. Next, inspect the hose, nozzle, and power cord for kinks or breaks. This tells you whether the issue is airflow or internal. If you see sediment, drain and prepare a mild descaling step next. You'll tackle mineral buildup now because that's the usual culprit. Pour a mixture of 1 part white vinegar and 3 parts water into the tank. This acidity dissolves calcium deposits that restrict steam flow. Turn the unit on briefly, follow manufacturer safety steps, and let the solution flow through the nozzle for about 2 minutes, then power off and flush with clean water until no vinegar smell remains. After flushing, use a soft brush or thin needle to carefully. You're almost done. Reassemble the tank and fittings, checking seals and O-rings so they sit flat and leak-free. A loose seal causes poor pressure. Plug in and power on the steamer, then allow 30 to 60 seconds for steam to stabilize. Observe for steady, even output. If steam remains weak or intermittent, you may have a faulty thermostat, heating element, or internal clog that needs disassembly or professional service. Troubleshooting tip: if the unit trips a breaker, stop and consult a technician immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.